This little side table here I picked up from the Goodwill for $2.50, and I'm going to update this. I was going to paint it silver. I wanted it to be a metallic silver color, but because of a piece that I found, and a mirror piece that I'm going to use on the top, I'm actually going to go with gold instead, because the mirror piece that I'm going to lay over the top of it has a lot of gold on it. What I'm going to do is remove this old hardware. It's actually being held in by some nails. So this nail here is there, and then this there's another nail or something that's holding this in. So this has, I actually have to snap this out. Okay, there we go. And then I'll just sand this too, because this is looking rough now. And then, even though I'm going to glue the mirror to this top part, I did want to buff out some of these little spots. This is like a thick glue, I think, of some kind, and it will come off just to smooth it out a little bit and to smooth this part. So my plan is, once it's sanded down a little bit, I'm going to add some primer, and then I'm going to paint it gold, and then I'll attach the mirror to this top part, and then around the edges I want to put some bling wrap to go all the way around on this little slanted part here. And I'm going to put a different knob on there, something nice and sparkly. And here is going to be painted. I'm not going to put anything there, but I did want to put some more of the bling on these parts here and then on the sides. And possibly around the drawer. I'm not exactly sure how that will look, but I'm just going to get started with the sanding. And then after I do the sanding, I'm going to have to put some glue in there, and then I'll add my clamps. I have these little clamps. I got these from the Dollar Tree. It won't focus, but it's just a simple clamp, and I think it came with a pack of 2 or 3, I can't remember, but I have 2 right here. I'm just going to add some E6000, and then I'm going to put these on, clamp it down like that to let it dry. So I'm going to start with the sanding first. Alright, it's the next day, and I already painted some of the primer, looking really good. Everything is nice and flat down. So my design idea has changed a little bit. I do want to kind of glam this thing up, but I'm not exactly sure. I'm even liking how it looks like this, with this part being brown and this part being white. So right now I'm thinking of making the legs gold. This is my process. I don't know what I want to do half the time. I figure it out as I go along. I think I'm gonna do, and I did go to Home Depot and get some knobs. I have 3 different styles that I want to try. So got these. It would definitely block this little hole here, and I think that looks really cute. And then I have this style, and I got this one because I like the shape of the mounted part, the part that goes against here. So that's how that one looks. And then this one, I like the detailing on that.